can see, we have 2 crickets here. As you may know, we love to eat grasshoppers, but since
Grasshopper season is over.
well, it will soon be. Yeah, it's been over for a little bit. It's winter, so we just went to our local pet shop and bought some crickets, and we wanted to see how they taste.
We're just putting on the garlic salt.
Oh gosh.
We'll clean that up.
Yeah, we'll clean that up. I'll get the rest of them.
Thanks.
Since grasshoppers usually taste like nothing, so they wanted to. We've never tried crickets before.
Well, none that we have cooked.
None that we have cooked, yes. So we want to see if they taste tasteless. If they don't have taste. Let's get right into it. You ready, Roman?
3.
Wait, cheers.
Cheers.
3, 2, 1.
Interesting flavor.
Actually, that one was burnt.
Has a flavor that almost feels like it sends air into your mouth. Like your throat, kind of.
Tastes a little burnt.
It's good, but different
Next time-
flavor.
Next time we cook them, we shouldn't burn them as much.
Yeah, we'll keep flipping them.
Yeah, subscribe.